Hey, what's going on, guys? Proman. Modded Minecraft, as you can see, that mod is Lucky Blocks. So yeah, so I was pretty lonely, and yeah, and then next to me I have my cousin, which is also a YouTuber.
But I'm making my first video.
Yep, he's actually going to do that right after I'm done.
When it loads.
Yeah, when it loads.
And I'm not going to say
How does he not blow up
anymore.
I got him. I think I got him. Yes, he's dead, I think. Nope.
Bob has to die.
Bob wouldn't die. It's the last thing I do. He's dead. Now I'm dead. I think I'm going to be dead too.
I'm not dead.
I said I think I'm going to be.
Open more Lucky Blocks. Bob still
Question marks? Lots and lots of question marks. How?
Bob has a lot of health.
And his armor must have thorns. So I shot him and it hurt me. Why did it just put out wood? I mean, good for resources. I'll give it that. I like that part. Ow! I think I'm.
armor has thorns.
Ow.
Kill Bob with your sword.
Oh. Nice. Alright. Alright. You gotta get. What are you going to record, see? Ooh! And guys. Alright, well, you can't join me right now. And guys, we have something called chunk error. If you watch log.zip, you will know what that is. But if you don't, it is a thing where it's like Skyblock basically.
Yep. And I'm a YouTuber.
Aha, resistance. Hey Bob, I bet you can't hit me. Tell my cousin he can't record yet. Ow. Bye, Bob.
Bob did his super jump.
No. My sword did that. What? Did I just... Alright. I think that's going to just...
I'm doing Minecraft.
How do you kill everything?
And you know that I do not know what I'm doing.
Yeah, but he's actually not recording yet.
Yes.
Oh, no, not this. No. No.
Do the lucky one.
Yeah, problem is, how do I know which one that is?
Just do it.
I'm going to YOLO it. I'm going to stay here.
Lucky one.
I take this. Hopefully.
Take the gold.
Well, I mean.
And then.
Oh
and
yeah,
then
and
you
then
can
I can
get
make
a weapon.
Or I could make more. I mean, I probably would. Alright, guys, I will be right back, and maybe I might have another, mod installed. So be right back. Alright, I am back. I don't have any more mods, but, yeah. And not the flowers. I see they're not looking. I don't want to fly. I don't want to get that useless. Don't want to get that. I don't really need it because I'm not doing the challenge games. Game. I wanna win. I win them all.
You actually won only 2.
Games. I wanna win. I win them all. Boop. I'm not teaming. No, I'm not teaming. You should have seen my last time game.
You're actually a loser.
Games. I'm not teaming. No, I'm not teaming. You should have seen my last time game. Run. Ow.
You didn't kill me.
I'm strong. and I know how to use effects. Slash effects. I also know that one.
Wait. Bob.
Guys, I will be right back. I realize it. Alright, I'm going to end it for that video, because the one mod wasn't working, and actually it's the main mod. Video Games Lucky Block mod. Yeah. See you guys next time. And, link to my cousin's YouTube channel will be down in the description.
But not